Hi everybody, today we're going to see the word pattern problem. So given a pattern and a string, find if str follows the same pattern. Okay, the pattern given is ABBA, and based on this pattern the string is present. So A should be mapped to dog, B should be mapped to cat, and once the mapping is done, we need to verify if the particular mapped pattern character is equivalent to the word. So here A, B, dog, cat, cat, dog, so it's correct. But here A is mapped to dog, but B is also mapped to dog, so we need to, once the mapping is done, it should not be mapped to another character. So that needs to be noted for this problem statement. So the algorithm for this would be, okay, you need to map each character pattern to the string word. So map character in pattern to the string word. Once a word is mapped, we cannot map it to another character. So we'll have a variable visited for the word in string. Okay, so once the mapping is done, we will add it to the visited, and if it is visited, then we should not add that particular word in the map. So that is one. And then iterate. Once the mapping is done, iterate after the mapping is done. Iterate over the pattern and check for the correct mapping. So that should be the algorithm. So let's work on it. First is create a map for pattern, and then we'll iterate over pattern. Okay, and so if we'll also have visited, as already mentioned. So visited is set. Okay, if what are we going to put in visited? We're going to put, okay, we need to split the string and the list. So we'll split with, okay, we have to put each character in the visited if s of I not in visited, and the pattern would be pattern I not in the map pattern. So then we would add the pattern to this string of I. Also add the string in the set. Okay, so this should have our map. So now again we'll iterate. After mapping is done, iterate or check for the correct mapping. So if pattern not equal. Okay, we can get this because there would be default variables which is not present, and pattern also would be present. So pattern of I comma some default. If it is not equal to this of I, then you return false. Else return. Okay, why is this equal to coming? Okay, so let's run the code and check for any issues. Okay, A dog, B cat, so it's returning true. And in this also there's one more condition. If see both the pattern length and the string should be same, so string s length. So there's one condition we need to add. So this is for to check if it is not equal. So we'll add the length of string, then it returns false. So nice. Okay, and then we can check this condition. Sorry for the noise, guys. This dog. Okay, that's false. I'm just going to submit it and check if it's working. Yeah, it's accepted. Okay, so the most important thing here is mapping the patterns and putting it into visited, and then iterating over it and get the values. Thanks a lot.